Blackout Bingo advertises fast withdrawals through supported payment methods, making it one of the first bingo games to check if getting eligible winnings out quickly is your priority. For 2026, fast cash should mean more than a marketing claim. You need to check whether the game offers real money competitions in your location, which withdrawal methods are available, and how long each method takes to process. Number 5 is eBingo Cash Dice. It offers cash competitions in eligible locations and has a documented withdrawal process. Its published help information says withdrawal requests can take up to 14 days to process, while players usually receive funds within 2 business days. That makes the payout process relatively clear, but it is not the strongest choice if you specifically need an instant cash out. Number 4 is nBingo Tour Dado. It offers cash prize competitions in eligible locations alongside free gameplay. Before entering a paid match, open the withdrawal section and check which payment methods are available to your account. Number 3 is Ain Blackout Bingo. The app offers cash competitions where available and specifically promotes fast withdrawals through supported payment services. That makes it a strong option to investigate when payout speed matters more than extra game features. Number 2 is any bingo game that shows the actual withdrawal processing time inside its official cashier. The information displayed there is more useful than a third-party review because it reflects the payment methods currently available to your account. Number 1 is the game that gives you the fastest confirmed withdrawal option after you complete any required verification. An advertised instant payout does not necessarily mean every payment method or every player receives funds instantly. Before depositing, check 3 things. First, check the payment method. Digital wallets, bank transfers, and other options can have different processing times. Second, check verification requirements. A withdrawal can be delayed if the platform needs additional identity or account information. Third, check the minimum cash out and any applicable fees. A fast withdrawal is only useful if your balance qualifies and the payout method does not add an unexpected cost. Also confirm that real money gameplay is legal and available in your location. Cash competitions can be restricted even when the app itself is available. Never send money directly to an individual who claims they can unlock your winnings. Use the game's official withdrawal system. The key takeaway is simple. Ain Blackout Bingo stands out for its fast withdrawal claim. Bingo Cash provides a clearly published processing window, and Bingo Tour is another cash prize option to compare. Your next step is to open the official cashier before depositing and check the exact processing time shown for your preferred withdrawal method. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Bingo app guides.